thought I was safe here. What's up, guys? First off, I just want to say thank you all for being here and showing me support. It means a lot to me. I was nervous about doing YouTube videos, but your support convinced me to do it anyways. Now you notice the song Into the Unknown isn't playing. That's because I don't want any problems with Disney at all with copyright issues. So there will be a change in music. As for anything else, things will stay the same, except videos will be a few minutes longer. With all of that out of the way, it's time to continue building the village deep slate wall. Now that I finally have the right materials, let's destroy this dirt pillar. Ooh, another blizzard. These things come so quick, but I need to finish this wall, so I'll just have to endure to X speed. Little by little, you'll notice my health is being chipped off. It's always better to seek shelter in a blizzard, but I just wanted to work on my wall. Here you can see me start to panic. Would you look at that? No hearts, but still kicking. That's bedrock for you. After chilling here with no hearts, I've decided to get back to work and go back to that wall. Now watch as I regenerate. For those who made it this far, comment Blizzard Bell, and your user will be on a sign in the village. After that little break was over, it was back on wall duty. Soon after this, I ran out of deep slate, so I'll have finished this another time. Thanks for tuning into this episode, and I'll see you guys later. Boo-bye.